Welcome back to the training. In this tutorial, we're going to design the upper jaw, as you can see here. Go to the Insert Components drop-down menu and select New Part. Select this surface. Select Center Rectangle. Click here in the center and here to this line. Escape. Select Smart Dimension. Select this line. And as we can see from the datasheet here, it is 18. And to avoid to put another measurement here, escape, I can go and select this line with this line here and make them collinear. Okay. Features. Extrude Boss. The height is 10, so leave it as it is. And select OK.